Indoor air quality is becoming more important to both consumers and businesses after the pandemic that caused worldwide disruptions in the early 2020s. Updated health and safety protocols have created the need for cleaner indoor environments, such as cleaning more often, using air duct cleaning and filtering, as well as other health and safety measures. Technological advances and building improvements over the last century means our homes and offices have never been more effective at sealing the inside from the outside. This is both good and bad. Good because having less outdoor pollution and irritants entering the structure equals a better health environment. The bad? It also traps whatever pollutants are inside the building, such as pet dander, smoke, and viruses. Air circulation is important, and clean airflow is vital to the health of families, workers, and any other occupants breathing indoor air. This is where you, as an air care partner, can benefit. Air Care is the leader in indoor air cleaning since 1979. We're on the forefront of indoor air cleaning technology and services. Our headquarters is located in sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. Our products and services are all targeted to the single goal of effectively cleaning most indoor air issues. Our 30,000 square foot manufacturing facility provides employment for over 40 manufacturing and office personnel. Our filter department builds our filters. We also manufacture all the equipment you'll be using in your duct cleaning business. Today, we'll be providing you with information about how you can become a part of the ever-growing indoor air cleaning industry. What exactly is indoor air quality? According to the Environmental Protection Agency, indoor air quality refers to the air within and around buildings, structures, and relates to the health and comfort of the building's occupants. There are short-term effects and long-term effects of poor indoor air. Short-term effects include irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat, headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. Symptoms of diseases like asthma may be aggravated or worsened. Long-term effects include respiratory diseases, heart disease, and cancer. Primary causes of indoor air issues include fuel-burning appliances, tobacco products, building materials such as asbestos, some flooring, and certain cabinetry products made of pressed wood. Other causes are household cleaning products, personal care products, central heat and cooling systems, and excess moisture. Outdoor sources that can enter the home are radon, pesticides, and outdoor air pollution. The indoor air cleaning market is a relatively new and growing field. The market value in 2015 was valued at $15 billion, with growth in 2024 estimated to be $23 billion. As the last few years have shown, you can see why this field is growing. Most modern homes and commercial buildings have air conditioning and heating systems installed, with ducts, filters, grills, and air handlers that need ongoing maintenance. Commercial air cleaning has tremendous growth opportunities, as well as many challenges. While residential units are relatively simple, commercial air units can be quite complex and exceptionally large. Air Care provides training to help you tackle the complexities of commercial cleaning, as well as providing you with up-to-date training information. When you become an Air Care partner, you'll be able to call us for advice should you run into any unexpected issues. At our manufacturing facility, we make our own filters in our filter department. We manufacture all the equipment you'll be using in your duct cleaning business. Our research and development department is constantly updating and improving existing products, as well as creating new equipment solutions to improve your duct cleaning experience. Engineers design and test every piece of equipment you'll be using for reliability and effectiveness. Our sales staff is here to help you choose the right equipment, answer any questions you may have, or help you with your marketing efforts. Our customer service staff are here to answer any questions you may have about our products and services. Our team of professionals will answer any pre-purchase questions you may have and provide the best solutions for your business needs. We offer free technical support for all our equipment and duct cleaning procedures. Our training program will teach you not only about the equipment and how they work and best practices, but we'll also provide practical knowledge from the past 40 years of indoor air cleaning experience. You'll learn the language of duct cleaning. You'll receive training in the different types of duct cleaning, such as contact cleaning or negative air cleaning. You'll learn cleaning chemicals and accessory tools used in air duct cleaning. We share how to interact with your customers and how to upsell additional products that will help with your bottom line. We also provide marketing information and help to get you up to speed attracting your potential customers. Where can you advertise? What sales materials are available? And much more. You can view an air care partnership as franchise help without the franchise price. Residential duct cleaning procedure starts with arriving at the home and greeting the customer. This is a good time to review the cleaning procedures and process with the customer. This is also a good opportunity to teach the customer about some of the products you may be using and that they can purchase. Upselling is a great way to increase your bottom line. The next step is to go through our suggested pre-cleaning checklist, like testing and verifying the air system works, noting the thermostat setting, and inspecting for any damage. We recommend placing down protective covering around the work area, as debris could fall from the open registers. For duct cleaning, removing and cleaning the vent registers is the first task. Then, depending on your choice of cleaning method, the duct cleaning starts. The first method of cleaning is called negative air cleaning. Negative air is created using one of our turbojets attached to an open register using our pogo pole. The blower in the turbojet causes negative air pressure throughout the home's system. With the vent grills removed and foam plugs in place, you can use several different tools to clean, such as an air whisk, sidewinder, or cobra brush system. During training, you'll be fully instructed on using these pieces of equipment and the benefits of each type of cleaning. Cleaning method 2 is the contact cleaning method, which uses a brush and vacuum system. With this method, you send a rotating brush down the vent system to brush away the debris, which is then sent back to the unit through a vacuum. If you're already set up for carpet cleaning, we have our Truckmaster, which, using the contact cleaning method, sends the debris to your carpet cleaning vacuum in your work truck. At some point in the cleaning process, you'll be cleaning the outside air handler and the fan coils. An add-on service you can offer is vent fogging with Air Care's Max Fogger. Using liquid disinfectants in the fogger, you can sanitize the vent system. Another add-on is our UVC Max 25 whole house purifying system. This powerful purifier is installed in the customer's return air duct near the cooling coils. The UVC Max 25 uses UVC light to kill any bacteria or viruses, including the COVID-19 virus, along the coils. Another service you may offer is dryer duct cleaning. Dryer duct fires are quite a common occurrence in residential units, and they're completely avoidable. Air Care has the tools available to make dryer duct cleaning easy and profitable. Most homeowners just clean their dryer's lint filter, not realizing that some of the lint can avoid this filter, eventually clogging up the vent duct. Commercial duct cleaning is more challenging, but offers a higher rate of return for the effort. Commercial systems are often required to be cleaned by health codes or strict business practices and could provide a steady stream of work for your cleaning business. Our training will help you learn the ins and outs of effective business and cleaning procedures for commercial cleaning. Air Care manufactures our own products for you to sell to your customers. We produce air filters, cleaning solutions such as our Everything Cleaner, CEF Filter Cleaner, UOK Odor Control Spray and Solid, and much more. Our Cool Wrap air conditioner wraparound filter is a perfect upsell to help keep debris from entering the outside air handler. At Air Care, we only succeed when you succeed. With our training program, we'll teach you how to operate each of the duct cleaning tools, from setup to operation. Our website has numerous videos to demonstrate how to use our equipment, how to perform installation for products such as the UVC Max 25 and Cool Wrap. You'll learn customer service as it relates to the air cleaning market. We'll share advertising and marketing advice, such as using websites to promote your business, direct mail campaigns, business cards, and other marketing efforts to grow your business. And you'll learn how to quote jobs for the maximum return on your investment. So get started today in the growing field of indoor air cleaning. There has never been a greater need for this type of service. And as an Air Care partner, you'll be ready to provide it. Call us at 800-322-9919 or visit aircare.com to begin your first steps into the world of indoor air cleaning today.